Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haft here at the Iola Car Show. We got a nice Super B here, Dodge. Nice machine. Got a nice tunnel ram intake on there. Big block, probably a 440. A real nice Camaro. This one is interesting because it has an inline 6-cylinder engine in it. But it's in very nice shape. And then we got a Ford Mach 1. Real nice shape. Okay. And we got a 428 Cobra Jet here. Mach 1. Very nice. Chevy Impala, 2-door, convertible. Then we got a nice Plymouth. And this looks like a Belvedere, is it? Oh, it's a GTX. My bad. Real nice from the GTX. You can see a lot of those. And this is an AAR CUDA. It says on the back. They got this nice stripe in here. Black interior. 340 6-pack or 6-barrel carburetor. 3 barrels. Real nice Chevelle.
Yeah.
It's all right. Big block. An older Chevrolet Corvette. I'm thinking in the 80s. Not thinking. Yeah, 85 Chevy Corvette. Okay. And this here, it's a Montego MX. I know they had an MX Baron. I'm not sure if this is that model, but this is a Montego MX. An old Dodge early club cab, they called it, and a special deluxe Plymouth. Okay. We're going to work our way along here. We got a nice Corvette. Sorry. And we got, I don't know, it looks like Packer colors, Ford F100. It's kind of interesting. Real nice shape. And that one is a 1960. And there's a Ford retractable. It's kind of nice.
Yep. Oh, you're talking serious. Convertible.
There's a Malibu. Oh, a Rambler. Well, you don't see a lot of those around. Rambler Malibu. This is a Laguna 454. And then we got the ever present GTO. Okay, we got a United States Coast Guard panel van. It's kind of interesting. Okay, so then there's a Dart. It's kind of interesting body style. Chrysler. I think that might be the 300. I'm not sure. There's a Studebaker, huh? That's an old one. You don't see a lot of those. 4-door Chevy Impala with fender skirts on. It's a long car. It says okay, used car. Then there's the Chevelle SS 396. And then a Ford Fairlane. It's an interesting truck. Chevrolet. Done it nice. Buick Riviera. It's hot out here today, folks. An older Chevrolet pickup truck. It's custom.
All original.
Looks nice.
Yeah.
And then we have the Judge. which is a Pontiac GTO on steroids. Beautiful car. This is a 1970 GTO Judge. Real nice. Manual interior. We got a nice Nova with metal flake paint. A nice custom Ford Bronco. Plymouth. Chevy Silverado. We got so many cars here. Ford Mustang. Chrysler LeBaron. Another Riviera. A Trans van, custom Chevy van. Nice Jeep. Late 70s Corvette. A nice Chevelle. A nice Mustang there, Fox body. 2000s Corvette. 440 Dodge. Real nice. Love the color. Dodge Coronet. Real nice. Chevy Impala. Corvair. Cadillac. That almost looks like an original Shelby because it's, you know, the body looks repaired and
He found Kelsey.
Chevelle, GS, Dodge pickup, another Dodge.
DMX, Don's already pretty good. And I can totally go here. I haven't
Not for the people, the cars wouldn't be here.
Right. Yeah.
A sweet Ford Mustang GT. Another one there too. Nice old Ford pickup. It just goes for rows and rows and rows, folks. The heat is just like overcoming me. Thank you.